go.
Okay, so we're doing a tour of the Bloch Mansion. We're about to walk into the 1911 edition. We're going to go up these stairs.
Hey, Peggy.
So this is one of our residence rooms. But this is one of the rooms that would have been added with the 1911 edition.
Whoa.
We have a resident that does live in here right now.
Beautiful.
You guys are welcome to
Look at
the bathroom. Yeah. We use it for lamps.
Good.
Yeah. So this stairwell was also built in the 1911 edition.
Okay.
So we're gonna go up these stairs.
Okay. This is beautiful.
This window was damaged and fixed by a local college. I can't remember the name, but they did work on it to repair
Belmont Tech. Belmont.
it. I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
They're the restoration program. Beautiful.
Yeah. So if we go up here, we have another resident room. Right down here. This is another room that was part of the 1911 edition.
Whoa, look at this. Love the windows. Wow. Can she go out? Can they go out? Oh, it's emergency exit only?
So we have a fire escape in this room and the room we were just down in. The closet. Love the shelves.
Can I come back and take pictures?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I'll sneak up after I'm done.
This restroom, it's locked at the moment, but that's the restroom for that residence room.
Okay.
So then when we go through this doorway, this was part of the 1891 mansion. So in 1891, this would have been a window. And
Wow.
then in 1911, they extended it to build out. Yeah.
Your great-grandfather lived nice. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. We call this the wicker room.
Yeah.
So this is one of the original rooms of the house.
Look at the view of the school, the church.
Yes, because they had the grocery. Yeah, and then
I think their original building was down next to Carlos.
okay.
Downtown, right?
Yeah.
Right in that part of town.
Yeah. So if we walk through here, we have a couple rooms that are original, but there are residents that are living there. Over here. This is another one of our original rooms of the house, built in 1891.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So they did an addition in 1911?
1911, yes.
Okay.
And on the second floor in our activities room, we have some photos that show before and after the addition.
Oh, all right.
So you can see like where it kind of cut off
Oh,
and
I
the
didn't know
out.
that.
We have another resident, she lives in here, but she's letting people in.
Oh, wow.
We've been told that this was the first.
You have a great room. Look at this. I'll be back later, get some
The
photos.
fur room. Millie, can I show the closet?
Thanks, Millie.
You're on the elevator.
Leave your furs in there, please.
Yes. So that was the closet.
Look at her
where-
closet.
Yes, I think that's yeah, this is
No, you don't have to.
all the woodwork.
I love this.
Yeah. So our resident Millie lives in here.
Thanks, Millie.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is wonderful.
I know. This is the attic. I can open it up for you, but we can't go up.
Oh, my.
Lots of boards and.
We love
yeah.
that
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
But I understand.
Do you want me to take the phone up so that they can see up there?
If you want to go ahead,
Yeah, we
go
can do
ahead.
that.
She's going to take it up.
Just walk around.
Show them, bring it back down.
All right, this is the attic. We use it for some storage. It's not finished, but there's some of the windows that are original. It's very steep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. good. Hey, I know you.
Okay, and then
Wheeling Pit.
we're gonna take the elevator back down to 2.
Okay.
That's where we have the photos that show before the 1911 edition.
I'll come on down in a minute. I wanted to show.
Yeah, of course. That's our favorite room of some of our.
This is, I love this room.
Favorite.
It's like different.
So you're
There's lots of furs in this.
Yes. Oh yes. You're Deborah Stewart?
Yes, I'm the youngest of 4.
Okay. We were doing the lineage earlier.
Right.
So you just said Jesse. That's correct. Okay. Okay. Where you guys going? We're gonna go to 2. Thank you. It is warm.
It's all these people.
So obviously this elevator was not here.
This is a new addition.
Yes. You saw those stairs that we took from 2 to 3. That was part of the 1911 edition. So we're not really sure how they got from 2 to 3 in between before they did that edition. Because we don't have another staircase.
On the first floor.
Now this is the activity room for the residents. This is not original to the mansion, but we have lots of photographs.
Look at
How
this.
we doing?
Good.
I mean, I've had like 4 groups in,
News 7 was here. Pardon? News 7 was here. Channel 7 News.
They were?
You're going to be on TV. And now we're live streaming on Facebook.
This is Friends of Wheeling. They're doing a live stream tour for those that couldn't be
So
here.
it's nice to meet you too.
Uh-huh.
So this was Mr. Bloch,
So what she did?
Samuel Bloch. Him and his wife are who built and lived here.
Mm-hmm.
Samuel. Now, I think this is Mrs. Bloch, Bertha Bloch,
When she was older.
but we don't have
Proof.
Yeah, it's not late.
But it seems logical based on
Based
the.
off of other photos we've seen.
Mm-hmm.
Over here, we have Mr. Bloch with one of his grandchildren.
Aw.
Now, the Blochs had this home, but they also had a home in Paris and a home in New York.
There's Bertha and her husband.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
With the fur coat.
there you go.
I just wish I could see.
And then over here we have the photo.
I know, but you've done well.
So this was the house in 1891.
Before the 1911 edition.
Here's another photo of it.
Oh,
So you can see that here at the spiral part, it went straight across. And then in 1911,
there it
they
is.
built this big addition that included 3 new bedrooms, a stairwell, portico.
Okay.
Hi there.
Hello.
I'd like to show everybody this closet.
Okay.
I think it's such a neat closet.
It is. Look at all the buildings. It's neat.
Neat closet. We have this residence room. These mansions
I was just here. Yes.
are original to the house.
Whose bedroom was it? Do you know? Back in the
we
day?
don't know
Okay,
which
you don't-
block was in which room. Yeah.
Okay.
This photo, which it's an original photo, so it's really faded.
Mm-hmm.
But this is of this room in here.
Is this a residence room?
This is a residence room. It used to be 2 separate bedrooms when the Blochs lived here. This was a bedroom. There's a bathroom now, right in between, and another bedroom.
Oh, somebody likes Van Gogh.
Yeah. It's now used as like almost a suite.
Okay.
And then
Nice.
this mantle as well is original with
Okay.
the tile
Right.
here.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, and then we're back to where we started, but we can go down to the main level.
Is this it?
So this is
Right.
dining room.
Okay, go ahead.
So this is just the sitting room. There used to be lots of
There's
chairs
Bertha. Hey, Bertha.
here. There's Bertha Bloch.
She doesn't hear.
And
We call this the formal living room.
Mm-hmm.
That includes the laundry room.
Somewhere.
They're on the bench, maybe. Okay, there's one.
So this room used to be separated into 2 rooms, and then they divided it with a curtain.
Mm-hmm.
The pocket doors were added slightly later than the 1891 build. They had lots of curtains to separate their rooms.
This is so heavy.
This is a formal living room. There's a portrait of
Jesse?
Jesse Bloch.
And Madeline,
And that's Madeline. Mhm.
the Fultons. See, I'm remembering.
This is Jesse Bloch, the wife of the son Jesse Bloch.
Right. Mr. and Miss, her parents? They were in-laws, I think. Was she a Fulton?
She's a Moffat.
No, that's right. She's a Moffat. It was maybe it was.
There is a relation.
Yeah, and I can't remember.
There is a relation.
Her talk, she talked about the Fultons.
That's the one, but Anna may have,
Okay, and then this is the dining room.
How's the sconces?
Excellent. So here's a photo of a birthday party that happened
Ziegler's.
Here. Yep.
Eduardo.
1919, there was a birthday party. There used to be a wall here. This is where the original dining room ended, which you can see. This would have been a window.
Right,
here.
right.
So all of this is original.
It's beautiful. Wow.
Would you like to show the porch?
Sure.
it was donated by Mary Beth Hughes.
The piano was built in 1866. It's over the house. I thought that was a really It's chilly,
Oh, it is.
but
Now-
if you come over here,
They stopped it. Wait a minute. I noticed the dining room is partially used to be outside.
yes. So the addition started here. This
Okay.
circular part of the building
Mhm.
would have been the 1891.
Okay.
And then where it comes flat off, that's where they added in 1801. So this porch here looked a little bit different before they did that addition.
Okay.
And then on this side, like we said, they liked curtains to separate their rooms.
Mm-hmm.
They have curtain rods that they put up here, and they had curtains that they used to have to kind of close off this little
Oh,
seated section.
nice.
And you can see, I don't know if you can get to it, but the original, there's a little alcove up there that's part of the original house.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we do have a boardroom. That's what we call it now. I think it was used as a room at one point. I'm not sure what the Blochs used it as, but it was part of the 1911 edition. Here's a photo
I
of them on the porch.
How sweet. Okay.
Are the same ones. Unfortunately, the mansion is different. There's only one room under this room.
This cute little bathroom
Under the steps?
that was original. I don't know if anybody's in there.
Okay.
And in here, this is what we call the boardroom. We use this for
Oh,
meetings,
look at
staff
this.
meetings.
Hi, Peggy.
And then this was added. This right here is the portico they would have driven through
Okay,
to get behind the house.
right.
And then later we added, that's the fire escape that is now for the assisted living.
Nice.
Pretty eyes. I noticed that earlier. Yeah, pretty kind of.
Anything else? Or is that about it?
That's about it.
Okay. You want to tell them goodbye?
All right, thank you guys. Goodbye.